So today's video is all about habits and how you can build good habits for internal growth and happiness. We all know what habits are, but the exact definition, a habit is a routine of behavior that is repeated regularly and tends to occur subconsciously. This is the definition of habit, but the main thing lies in the word subconsciously. We can force ourselves into doing something for every single day, but the real success lies when that happens subconsciously. Starting a habit is easy, but sticking to it, doing it regularly so that you don't have to put a lot of effort into it and it'll happen subconsciously, just by writing why you want to do that habit, few points here and there, how it can help you in long run to achieve your dream life. 21 days rule. The rule is simple enough. Commit to a personal or professional goal for 21 days straight. And when I say 21 days straight, it means that without a pause. You can't take breaks in the middle of that, and it should become a habit. You need to stop overthinking. Giving too much importance to something can lead to stress, and then you'll end up doing nothing. And the thing is, you need to make that goal a part of your subconscious, and by overthinking it, you cannot really do that. Set reminders. As simple as it sounds, it is the most important step you can take to stick to your goals and to make your goals happen. Just by setting an alarm, there'll be no excuse for you that I forgot to do this or something. So, journal writing. There are two parts of this. First one is you can either write how you felt after doing that habit, or in general whatever you did the whole day. You can just write that, and you can see a before and after, that how you felt before pursuing that habit and how you felt after that, how energetic, how productive, how efficient you feel after pursuing that. That motivates you to stick to your habit. The main problem that we face while building a habit are excuses. Excuses are the major enemy of yourself. The moment you stop making excuses, you have officially solved 50% of your problems. You need to stop making excuses, but we all know that that's not easy. What we can do is we can write all those excuses on a piece of paper and write something that we call a counter excuse or positive affirmations. For example, I can't do this because I'm tired / I'm stronger than this.